you need to log into Destiny Discover to be able to put a book on hold. The login is up here at the top. I'm going to click login. Your login information is almost the same as what you use to log into your Chromebooks, but the username is just the name part of your login without the FRSD.US. So just the name part. So my made-up person is Mary Sample, so she has M Sample. Oops, she typed her name wrong. All right, and the password is the 4 numbers that are part of your password, so without the FRSD. So then you just type in your 4 numbers and you click submit. You can tell you are in because it will have your name. Welcome, Mary, to Francis Daymar Elementary School. If you have problems logging in, you can ask me and I can help you, but please try it twice on your own to make sure that you didn't make a typo and type a number or a letter in wrong. So please try it twice before asking for help. Now that I am logged in, if I want to put a book on hold, I can search for the book in the search bar. I want to put Smile on hold because I know it's checked out all the time and I would like to put it on hold. I click Smile. And I forgot, I already put it on hold. So if the book is already on hold, look, it doesn't give me an option. It's out. There's no hold button. I put Smile on hold earlier. So I'm going to put Sisters on hold instead. Now Sisters, because I don't already have it on hold, comes up. I can put Sisters on hold. See at the bottom it said they've received my request. That book is now on hold. If I go over here to the menu, I can click this. I can go down to where it says holds, and I can see that I have 2 holds pending. Remember, you might not be the first person in the hold list. It's a waiting list, so when it is your turn and the book comes in for you, you will get a note through your teacher saying that your hold is ready, and you can bring one of your books down to return to trade for that book so that you can check that book out, even if it is not your regular library day, as long as it is okay with your teacher. Before I finish, I want to make sure that I click on the menu button, and I go down and I log out. If you are on your own Chromebook, you don't need to log out, but if you are on a library computer or a computer someone else could use, you want to log out so no one is accidentally in your Destiny account. So I click log out, and I am done, and I will get my holds when they are ready.